Welcome to Science Lab Insights, the podcast where we explore the latest innovations in educational lab equipment. I'm Pista Lu, EDU, and in today's episode we'll be discussing secondary science lab kits for physics and why choosing the right exporter is crucial for quality education worldwide. Whether you're a school administrator, science teacher, or educational supplier, this episode will help you understand what makes a high-quality physics lab kit and where to source the best ones. A secondary science lab kit for physics is a collection of essential tools and equipment designed to help students perform hands-on experiments. These kits are used in middle and high schools to demonstrate fundamental physics concepts such as motion, electricity, magnetism, optics, and thermodynamics. A typical physics lab kit includes Newton's laws demonstration kits, like inclined planes, pulleys, and force meters, electrical circuit components such as batteries, wires, resistors, and switches, optics equipment including lenses, prisms, and light sources, magnetism and electromagnetism tools like magnets, coils, and compasses, and heat and thermodynamics instruments such as thermometers and calorimeters. These kits help students visualize and understand complex physics principles through experimentation and problem solving. Physics is best understood through practical learning, and lab kits play a critical role in science education. High-quality lab kits help students engage with real-world applications of physics, develop analytical and problem-solving skills, and prepare for higher education and STEM careers. However, not all lab kits are created equal. Schools and institutions must source their kits from trusted physics lab kit exporters who ensure accuracy, durability, and compliance with international education standards. When selecting a physics lab kit exporter, consider these key factors: quality and compliance. Ensure the equipment meets ISO, ASTM, or CE certification for safety and precision. Customization options. A good exporter can tailor kits based on curriculum needs, whether it's CBSE, IB, or Cambridge curriculum. Global shipping and logistics. Look for exporters who have experience supplying schools and universities worldwide with proper packaging and timely delivery. Affordable pricing. While quality matters, competitive pricing ensures institutions get the best value. After-sales support. The best exporters offer customer support, manuals, and virtual training for effective use of lab kits. Some of the top exporters of physics lab kits for secondary education include manufacturers from India, Germany, and the USA, known for their high-quality laboratory equipment. India, in particular, has become a major hub for exporting educational lab kits due to cost-effective pricing, superior quality, and bulk manufacturing capabilities. Companies like Attico Export and Educational Lab Equipments are among the leading suppliers worldwide. Investing in a high-quality secondary science lab kit for physics ensures students receive the best practical education. Whether you're an educator or a supplier, choosing the right exporter makes all the difference in delivering an engaging, hands-on physics learning experience. Thank you for tuning in to Science Lab Insights. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on educational lab equipment. Until next time, keep experimenting and stay curious. Closing music. Welcome to Science Lab Insights, the podcast where we explore the latest innovations in educational lab equipment. I'm Pista Lu, EDU, and in today's episode we'll be discussing secondary science lab kits for physics and why choosing the right exporter is crucial for quality education worldwide. Whether you're a school administrator, science teacher, or educational supplier, this episode will help you understand what makes a high-quality physics lab kit and where to source the best ones.